Hello everybody, I'm gonna got a couple of things in today that I'm really tickled that I got. They're gonna go over and go onto my little gun here. That's my Marline 1953 39A. I'm gonna take this Lyman competition sight off and I'm gonna put this on. This is from GW. I said EWG the other night. But it's made specifically for the Marline, that little indentation there. So I'm putting that on. Fits perfectly. And I got in this morning. I don't know why I keep losing. Losing stuff, but I do. I got this in. And this is a little FedEx box. My little buddies at FedEx. And inside here is a scope I ordered. It's a Nikon. And I will try to get it open if I can find out what I did with my knife. I really do like Nikon and Citrons. And this already has attached, I think pretty good too. I gotta figure what those are. Rings, but I'll have to readjust them. This is a 4x12. And can't wait to put it on. It'll probably sit something like that. So anyway, I'll get back with you and get it on.